Okay, my path is now ready to export to Max, so I just select it and type in Wblock. I want to leave the base point at 0, 0, 0, and I want to retain the outline in the drawing. All I need to do is give it a location, which I'm just going to go to the desktop and save it there. What I can do is I can then come across to my 3dsMax file, and I want to import that line into this base file, which, as you can see, has sides on it. Therefore, it's a solid base. I'm rotating around in here a little, just holding down Alt and the middle mouse button in order to be able to have a look at what's going on. And one of the other things I like to do is be able to press F3, which gives me just the wireframe, and F4, which turns off the wireframe but leaves the default shading. So I come across here to File, Import. I select my ramp drawing and I can bring it in. All of these settings are fine. I can turn off external references, not that there are any in that drawing, but that's fine. You can't see it at the moment, so I need to press my F3, and what you'll see if I go to T or top is that my drawing has the ramp in it. So what I'm ready to do is just turn off my topo surface and turn off my existing paths. I could also turn off my daylight just to make it cleaner. And I want to come into the sub-object of this item, which is a polyline or an editable spline. And I need to come down to the vertex level. So we've got vertex, we've got segment, and we've got whole spline. And you'll use the sub-object level of this line several times. So coming into vertex, coming across here to the move button, I can right-click on that. And what that gives me is a numeric input for the move. All I need to do now is go around and select the group edits around each landing, come into the Z and move them up to the location that they should be at. So selecting all three of those and just bringing them up to the landing levels that I've set in my drawing. I'll go around and do that. Alright, so once that's done, I can just click on Editable Spline, and I can actually test whether they're in the right spot by just picking one of each of these vertices, and it will tell me whether I've been raised to the right location or not. If I type in L for left, what I will get is I will see the left view of my path, and Alt and middle mouse button again allows me to scroll around. So I'm actually ready now to put a bevel on that and do a boolean.